Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: Visual Studio with the data workload and an accessible SQL Server instance. Open Visual Studio and create or open your project. Choose the language you use. Next, open Server Explorer and select Add Connection. Enter your server name, choose Authentication, Integrated or SQL Credentials, then pick the database. Once done, test the connection so you avoid credential errors later. This first connection creates the foundation for tooling, like designers and EF core migrations. Now configure the connection string inside your project. In App Settings, JSON for ASP, NET Core, or Web. Config for classic apps. You build the string, server, database, authentication details so the runtime knows how to reach SQL Server. Register it in your DB context or ADO. NET Provider. For Entity Framework Core, call use SQL Server with configuration value. Make sure to secure secrets. Use user secrets or environment variables in development. Once registered, run a quick query or scaffold to confirm the application can open and query the database. Finish by running the application and executing a simple select to verify connectivity and permissions. Watch for exceptions in the output. If you hit issues, first ensure SQL Server service is running and TCP/IP is enabled in the SQL Server Configuration Manager. Make sure Firewall allows port 1433 and confirm the server name and instance syntax. If using integrated security, verify your Windows account has DB access. One key troubleshooting tip: test the same connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.